Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Airport edition. Show me the ticket. That sounds a bit strong. What should I say? Could you show me your ticket? Could you show me your ticket? Check my passport. That sounds blunt. How should I say it? Could you check my passport? Could you check my passport? I want to go here. That is a bit direct. What is a better way? I would like to go here. I would like to go here. Give me window seat. That sounds a bit harsh. What sounds natural? Could I have a window seat? Could I have a window seat? Give me aisle seat. That is a bit direct. What should I say instead? Could I get an aisle seat? Could I get an aisle seat? Do it fast. That sounds a little rude. How can I say it politely? Could you do it a bit faster? Could you do it a bit faster? My bag is heavy. That is a bit unnatural. What is more natural? My bag is heavy. My bag is heavy. This is not good. That sounds a little off. What do people usually say? Is this okay? Is this okay? Where is toilet? That is too casual. How do you say it nicely? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Do you have a pen? That is a bit direct. What sounds natural? Could I borrow a pen? Could I borrow a pen? Give me this. That sounds a bit strong. What is the better phrase? Could I have this? Could I have this? I want to change. That might sound rude. What should I say? I would like to change. I would like to change. I do not understand. That is not very polite. What is a better way? I am not sure. I am not sure. Say again. That sounds a bit harsh. How should I say it? Could you say that again? Could you say that again? Thank you. That is too casual. What do people usually say? I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.